Hi, so today I'm going to show you some pure mulberry brocade silk sarees, which I guarantee you will not have seen anywhere else. Mostly because only 4 to 5 manufacturers in India, including ourselves, make this type of unique handloom sarees. See. So the first saree is in the shade of this beautiful red color, and we have over 40 designs you can choose from. So this particular saree is in the shade of red and has rose petal patterns all over the saree. This is a bestseller among our 40 designs, and we've had so many Devta brides going for these type of mulberry brocade silk saree instead, like choosing them over a traditional Kanchipuram or a Banarasi saris. The recent example being this particular sari, red with gold tint, was chosen by one of a special Devta bride Ala, for her Hindu wedding ceremony, and she looked absolutely gorgeous. The sari is super lightweight, okay, very, very lightweight, super elegant, very, very easy to drape, and this is the pallu portion. See, this beautiful pallu portion. The sari is completely 100% handloom sari, meaning that the inner portion and the outer portion look exactly the same. And this will be the blouse piece. See, this is the blouse piece. So here I'm showing you a different pattern in mulberry, pure mulberry handloom silk sari. Here you can see the body is finished in gold zari weave, whereas the borders are done in platinum zari finishing. The color of the sari is very soft pastel peach. This is the pallu of the sari. If I remember correctly, I think bride Sunaina, she was a Devta bride, and she chose this particular design for her wedding day. It's a very beautiful sari, and she wanted something very like shiny, like very grand, very premium looking. And instead of a gold Kanchipuram or a gold Banarsi sari, she went for pure gold mulberry silk sari, and she literally stood out really, really well. The drape was perfect. She had done some handwork on the sari, on this particular sari, and it looked so beautiful and so elegant. So this is the whole look of the sari, and the blouse piece. See, this will be the blouse piece. This blouse is also really, really beautifully, intricately woven. Okay, so this is the whole look of the sari. The second sari I'm showing you here is finished in light gold zari finishing, and the color is very beautiful. This is mauve lilac. So this particular sari, so this type of sari is not only brides, even mother of the brides, or you can style it for a wedding, as a wedding